Hello, so welcome to the Arbane Groupe booth. I'm Damien Jacquet. I will present you Ness. This is our new spatialization software. It's totally free. You can download it on our website. It's based on state-of-the-art algorithm like WFS and distance-based amplitude panning, and you will be able to spatialize up to 16 sources on 32 outputs. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and any sound card. So don't hesitate to come directly to the booth. I can give you a presentation, and you can also visit our website to download it directly. The website is arbane-group.com, and have a nice day at ISE.